is a good TV setup for your bonding moments with Neri and Fab?
Thank you for your beautiful question. I think it is important for me to have, ano ulit yung question? Sorry.
Gano'ng ka-importante po ang TV? Good TV nag-hire
Hindi, syempre,
bonding moments with your families.
there are so many factors kung ba't sobrang strict ako when it comes to the quality of my TV. First of all, as an entertainer, pagdating sa sound system, sa clarity of everything, I want it to be clear. Same thing when you're entertaining yourself. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng yung top quality yung production yung sabay mo. But when it's time for you to enjoy it, dapat top of the line din. And when it comes to sound, the clarity and everything, I'm also a gamer, so
that's cool.
I'm very strict when it comes to the resolution of my. But basta, when it comes to technology and stuff like that, luxury ko yan, so it needs to be top of the line, the quality. So it's very important for me.
Absolutely, we totally understand that. So,
Kinabahan ako.
nothing but the best for Sir Chito, man.
Thank you.
Right.
Yes. Of course, Sir Chito, first of all, gusto ko lang sabihin na last time I shared the stage with Sir Chito, I hosted for him in 2024 in Clark, Pampanga for a music fest. And it's just an honor to share the stage with you again, one of my icons. Yes, Sir Chito, nice to see you. But then, syempre, you talked about Sir Chito as a performer, a musician, and entertainer, how important sound quality is. Pero ito naman, let's go to the 4K HDR. Of course, if you were to have a concert or documentary of your concert, what would be the first song that you'd like everyone to see you perform in 4K HDR?
If I were to, sorry, but it wouldn't be Maroke. It would be anywhere songs. I don't enjoy watching myself on TV. So, but siguro I'd like to see. Thank you. Pero siguro if I would, the concert na gusto ko panoorin, the concert that I really want to see maybe is either a full production of Coldplay with all the lights or U2 kasi ang ganda ng light show nila. So you really get to dive into the experience when you have a 4K na ready na TV. So I think that's more exciting than watching Parokya because I'm so tired of Parokya.
I love it. Extremely humble. But we all know what we want, right?
Yes, exactly. Pero, you know what, Noel and Sir Chito, I like what you mentioned. Parang when you have everything all in one TV from sound system to 4K HDR, grabe, it's like you're actually there. Live na live mo na experience. Diba?
So the experience becomes more fuller for me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Chito. We have one last question for you po. Of course, we have here our Lionheart Media. To have, yes, you guys have some questions, Lionheart Media. Do we have the representative po to ask? Yan, there you go, from Lionheart Media.
There you go.
Takot ako sa questions na yan. Sige, good luck. Sige, lapit ka dito. Huwag ka mahiya.
Dito po, sir.
Hindi, dapat mag-rap sample ka muna. Charis.
Oh, lang, hindi ka dito. Sige.
Hello?
Okay.
Ito po yung question ko. Do you remember your first ever TV? How does it compare to the higher TV experience now?
Nako, I'm very old. I'm 50 years old. So, nabuta ko pa yung invention ng TV. So, nabuta ko pa ng black and white yan siya. Ako pa yung remote control ng mga magulang ko na pag magbibig ko ng channel. Meron kaming channels asterisk to third beam. I'm proud to say that nakita ko yung steps from the basic TV to the highest smart TV, So same thing with computers, from the Ataris to the PlayStation 5s. We got to experience it. So I'm very lucky to have may comparison ako on how I first experienced television to how I experience it now. So sa mga kids, you have no idea how lucky you are because ang ganda na ng mga TV ngayon. Pero nung panahon namin, we had Channel 2 and Channel 9. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Kapamilya forever.
Follow-up question.
Ay, may follow-up. There you go.
Please.
As a musician and family man, how does a good home entertainment setup like a higher TV play a role in your everyday life?
Ako, hindi ka nakikinigan yung question kanina ni Kuya. Pero sige, I will answer the same question. It's very important for me. Yun, it's very important for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much to
appreciate the breath.
our representative from Lionheart Media. Thank you so much. And syempre, once again, Abis of Quezon Up, let's give it up for Chito Meron!